Check this tosh out. ESA, the European Space Agency's satellite, which is called Gaia, has apparently spotted the James Webb Telescope and has taken some images. So let's have a look.
Since 24th of January, 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope is in a halo orbit around the Lagrange point L2 about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. In the same region of space, the Gaia satellite has performed astrometric measurements since July 2014, orbiting L2 in a Lagrange orbit. On Friday the 18th of February, at 8:53 and 10:30.
So this Gaia satellite has come up with this. This pixelated pantomime is somehow proof of the James Webb Telescope being in an environment that's scientifically impossible. We know any so-called space telescopes are either mounted in planes or on mountaintops, clearly not in a scientifically impossible environment. And you've only got to look at the evidence they show. A cartoon demonstration animation and then a pixelated pantomime. And that is supposed to be the evidence that justifies millions and millions and millions of pounds being spent. And as a result of that money being spent on this tosh, millions suffer. But this is what you get from so-called space. Pixelated tosh as the European Space Agency's so-called satellite provide this as somehow proof a telescope is orbiting in a scientifically impossible environment. Ridiculous. What even is this Gaia satellite? Bear with me. I come here, type in Gaia satellite, and look what I get served up with. Cartoon space top hats. You can't make this stuff up. Look. Hang on, images. So the Gaia satellite that provided the pixelated image of the telescope that's in the scientifically impossible environment turns out to be a cartoon top hat. Absolutely ridiculous. Mockery. Absolutely mockery. It's almost like a magician's top hat with a slight Mexican twist. It's a joke. Absolute joke and an insult. It's like they're laughing at the people that believe this tosh, showing you their space magician's hat. And it is a little bit of mockery chucked in there as well, but geez, I wish you people who believe in this tosh, this scientifically impossible tosh of spacecraft orbiting a scientifically impossible ball, I wish you'd really wake up and start addressing it and actually be honest and say, fair dues, it is a belief that's actually bordering on fantasy. There's no demonstrable science, and the stuff they show us is clearly ridiculous. I mean, cartoon space top hats, taking pictures of cartoons, telescopes in a scientifically impossible environment, and the evidence is a pixelated pantomime. Have a word.